4.2. Till now, we have completed question number 4 first. So, today, as per the reduced syllabus by state government, this will be the last problem that we'll be doing. That is question number 4, second one today, and it will complete our practice set 4.2. After that, we'll start with new concept of ratio and proportion, that is operation on equal ratios. So let me complete this second problem of question number 4, which says that what they're saying, the ratio of present ages of Albert and Salim is 5 is to 9. Again, now as we have done in last lecture, if we are having anything in ratio, means they are having some common multiple. For example, if I am saying that A by B, they are in the ratio 2 by 3, means I mean to say they are having some common multiple. That is, value of A will be 2 times K and value of B will be 3 times K. This should be clearly understood. Yesterday we have done for angles. In that, the angle was given in the ratio, that is angle A by angle B, that was given in the ratio 5 by 4. So we have taken a common multiple, that is angle A is equal to 5x and angle B is equal to 4x. And we evaluated the problem, and at last we got the value of x, and we have substituted the value of x, and we got the required measures. So in this case also, they are given present age of Albert and Salim in the ratio 5 is to 9, and after 5 years, in 5 years hence, ratio of their ages will be 3 is to 5. So ratio changes after 5 years. Yeah, exactly. There's 3 is to 5. So we have to calculate their present ages. So let us start with this problem. Solution. Question number 4. Second, let the, or you can say let x be the common multiple of the present ages of Albert and Salim. Even you can write let x be a common multiple. That means the same. Doesn't make any difference. Only the thing that as they have mentioned Albert and Salim, so I'm using the whole statement that x is a common multiple for the present ages of Albert and Salim. So therefore, the present age of present age of Albert, present age of Albert, as it is given 5 is to 9, so it will become 5x because they have mentioned Albert first and Salim afterwards. So first name corresponds to first value. Value of Albert goes to, you can say, is 5x, and the present age of Salim is, second ratio is 9, so it will be 9x. Now, what they're saying, 5 years hence, मतलब 5 साल के बाद. So after 5 years, therefore, according to given condition, according to given condition, when we add, current age is 5x, so when we will add 5 to their ages, I've added 5 to the present age of Albert, 5 to present age of Salim. So the ratio after 5 years will become 3/5. Hope you understood this step. So this is according to given condition. So now what we will do, we know the rule that the terms which is in the form of division on one side, when we take that term on other side will be taking the form of multiplication. So therefore here we are having 5 in denominator. So taking on left hand side, on right hand side we are having 5 in denominator, taking it to right hand side, it will take a form of multiplication. 5 into 5x plus 5 is equal to 3 into 9x plus 5. Hope this step is clear. After this, open the bracket, in the sense multiplication distributes over addition. So 5 into 5 is 25. Along with that, we are having x. So 25x plus 5 into 5 is 25 is equal to 3 into 9, 27x, as x is present with 9. So 27x plus 3 into 5 is 15. Now what we will do, we'll be taking terms of x together and constant terms together. These are terms of x and this is constant. So we'll be taking constant on one side and terms of x on one side. So better we will be taking 25 on right hand side. So whenever we take one value from one side to other side, the sign changes. Right now we can see that 25 is having a positive sign. So when we will take 25 to right hand side, it will be taking negative form. So therefore 25, and we are taking 15 to left hand side. So 15 is positive, it will become negative, is equal to 27x minus 25x. So this step is okay. Therefore 25 minus 15, 25 minus 15 is 10, and here 27 minus 25 is 2x. That is 2x is equal to 10. So therefore x is equal to dividing, as 2 is in the form of multiplication on left hand side, it will be the form of division on right hand side when we take that number to right hand side. So this is 2 5s are, and this is 2 cancel, what remains? So value of x we got as 5. So now the present age can be easily calculated. As you can see, we have found the value of x. So therefore just substitute the value of x in the present age. So therefore the present age of Albert is 5x, which is equal to 5 into value of x is 5. We say 5 into 5 is 25 years. And the present age of Salim is 9x, which is equal to 9 into value of x is 5. 9 5 are 25 years. Yeah, so we have completed practice at 4.2, and this was the solution for last problem, that is question number 4 second. And remaining sums of this practice set is being omitted. So whatever I have taught you, just go through that. You'll be able to solve the problems of practice set 4.2. Now we'll start with new concepts of ratio and proportion, that is operations. Operations on equal ratios. Operation means we are having more than one operations and it is of different form. First is invertendo. After that we are having alternando. After that we are having componendo. After that, we are having dividendo. These all are the operations. As we know that operations, when we talk about numbers, what type of operation we have? When we talk about numbers, dealing with numbers, we have operation of the type addition, we have subtraction, we have multiplication, we have division, and their combination. So, when we talk about operations on equal ratios in the sense, first we will discuss about invertendo. What did it say? Invert, uh, upside down. Actually, they are saying it means if we are having a by b equal to c by d, if we are having a ratio a by b equal to c by d, they are equal. Then it will be converted to upside down. Whatever is present in denominator will go to numerator, and whatever is present in numerator will come down. That is, this will take a form of b by a is equal to d by c. This is called as invertendo. Reverse हो जाता है. It, it goes reverse. Whatever is present in numerator will go to denominator. As you can see that a was present in numerator and b was present in denominator. So after applying invertendo, we got that b went in numerator and a came in denominator. Similarly for means it will be taking effect on both the sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. Next, this was first. Next is alternando. It says that if we are having again equal ratio, alternando, A and D will be present at their own position. Only there will be change in B and C. Alternando, alternate. So A by C will be equal to B by D. If you just remember this, uh, very much useful to solve a problem based on ratio and proportion. This is for alternando. A and D are at their same position, but there is change in the position of B and C. As you can see, B has taken a position of C and C has taken a position of B. This is called as alternando. Now, componendo. Componendo. Componendo says that whenever we are having equal ratio A by B is equal to C by D, then we'll be adding denominator to numerator. We'll be adding denominator to numerator, and others will remain as it is. As you can see, A plus B divided by B, whatever we are having in denominator, that is B and D, it remains as it is. Only thing, the change was we have added denominator to numerator, and the ratio remains same. Huh? Ratio remains same. A by B is equal to C by D, and whatever operation we do, that will also remain the same. This is what operations on equal ratio says. And next is dividendo. Dividendo says that if we are having A by B equal to C by D, then A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. What is the difference in component and dividendo? In componendo, we have added, and dividendo, we have to subtract. Subtract denominator from numerator, and others will remain same. Here we have taken addition, and here we are having subtraction. Componendo get compounded, dividendo get separated, so it get divided. That is A minus B upon B, C minus D upon D. Now next last one, componendo dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. Componendo says same. If we are having A by B equal to C by D, A by B equal to C by D, then you have to apply both the operation, that is componendo and dividendo, at the same time. So what will happen? Componendo A plus B divided by B is equal to C minus D divided by D. This is divided by, since we are applying componendo and dividendo. So we are having A minus B divided by B. Sorry. Okay. C plus D. This is for componendo, and this is for dividendo. We are taking A minus B divided by B and divided by C minus D upon D. Now, we know that when we write 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4, so it means that 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4, and again we can write this as 1 by 2 into 4 by 3. Is it okay? It's a common rule. This is a basic we have done in 5th and 6th standard. So we are going to apply this here. Therefore, A plus B by B, as it is divided by A minus B by B, is equal to C plus D by D divided by C minus D by D. After this, what you do, you just apply this rule. You will get A plus B by B into B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by D into D by C minus D. Cancel this B, cancel this D. Terms present in numerator as well as denominator gets cancelled. What remains? A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. So when we say that apply componendo dividendo on the equal ratios of the type A by B equal to C by D, then your answer should be A plus B upon A minus B equal to C plus D upon C minus D. So we have studied now operations on equal ratios. Now it's time to apply them on a problem. So first I'll be doing some soil examples for you. Then we'll start with the practice set, that is 4.3. So first, let's do very basic problem so that things will become easier for you and you will gain some confidence. After that, you can try it by yourself. Whatever homework I will give to you. Yeah. So suppose there is a equal ratio, say A by B, solved example. If A by B is equal to 5 by 3, then find the ratio A plus 7B upon 7B. They're asking us this. So now what you do, there are two ways to solve this. Uh, I'll be solving it in both the ways, whatever you feel like you can adopt, no problem. I'll be following any one method to solve it. So as we can see that if I will hide this 7b and we are having a upon 7b, 7 in denominator, and right now I'm having only a by b. So what I will do, this is method 1. Two methods to solve this. I'll be doing it by method 1. Say since a by b equal to 5 by 3, what is required? I require 7b in denominator, as I can't see 7 present here. So multiplying by 7 in denominator on both sides. So what we will get, a by 7b is equal to 5 upon 7 into 3. Is it okay? I think this is clear because for b it was 3. For 7b it will be 7 3. Multiplying 7 on both side of denominator. So this is equal to 5 by 7 3s are 21. So I got the value of a by 7b as 5 by 21. Now we require a plus 7b. So which operation gives me addition in numerator? Which operation? As we have done componendo. As we all know, componendo adds denominator to numerator. So therefore, by componendo, which says that a plus 7b upon 7b is equal to 5 plus 21 upon 21. So this is equal to 5 plus 21 is 26 upon 21. As you can see that there is no common multiple. It cannot be cancelled further. It cannot be cancelled further. So this is my final answer. And in case you are not getting this, so I will write here reason. If a by b equal to c by d, then by componendo a plus b by b is equal to c plus d by d. This is the reason you can apply. So this was very simple problem to understand. This was method 1. Now we'll be using another method, that is method 2. Our second method, method 2. In this case, what we will do, we can write this as a by 5 is equal to b by 3. As we have seen, this is a case of alternando. Uh, a and 3 are at the same position. B and 5 have interchanged their position. So this is a case of alternando, and I am taking it as k. Let both the ratio be equal to k. I am assuming some constant. So therefore, a by 5, both are equal to k. Huh? So a by 5 equal to k and b by 3 equal to k. Both are having same value since their ratios are equal. So therefore, a equal to, taking 5 on that side, becomes 5k, and says b equal to 3 times k. I got value of A as 5k and value of B as 3k. Means we are going to solve the problems in terms of k. Means they are having some common multiple, and that common multiple is k. Now consider what we need to get the value of. We need to get the value of A plus 7B divided by 7B is equal to value of A is 5k and value of B is 3k divided by 7 into value of B is 3k from here. Value of A 5k, value of B 3k. So 5k remains as it is. Value 7 3s are 7 3s are 21. 21k divided by again 7 3s are 21k. What you can see is common in numerator. You can see that 5 plus 21k divided by 21k. On multiple, the terms present in numerator as well as denominator, they gets cancelled. 5 plus 21, 26 upon in denominator I am having 21. The final answer. So we have taken two methods in which we have applied. Here we have applied a constant multiple, a common multiple you can say, and in the method one we have taken use of the property that is componendo, and we got the answer and we got two. So whatever or whichever method you like, you can follow that. I'll be following any one method. Similarly, we can solve a problem of the type dividendo, as it is a second example, short example. So I won't be solving this. You can try it by yourself, applying the property of dividendo. Next, I'll be solving componendo and dividendo for you. Example of that type. So now, what is given? If a by b is equal to 7 by 3, they're asking us to find the ratio. Then find the ratio a plus 2b upon a minus 2b. So as we know a and b, clearly this is a case of componendo and dividendo. Only a thing that we don't have 2 here in denominator. In order to get 2 in denominator, what we need to do? We need to multiply denominator with 2 on both sides. So solution, or you can say answer, given a by b equal to 7 by 3. So therefore, a by 2b is equal to 7 by 2 into 3. So 7 upon 6. I got a by 2b as 7 by 6. So therefore, by componendo dividendo, we get componendo says addition, that is a plus 2b divided by a minus 2b. A plus 2b, a minus 2b is equal to 7 plus 6 divided by 7 minus 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13 divided by 1. So this is the answer is equal to 13 is to 1. In case component of dividendo, if you don't know the reason, as we have already done with explanation, I'll be writing here. Since if a by b equal to c by d, then by componendo and dividendo a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. This is the reason for this answer. It was very simple. By another method, you can try by yourself. So, next example, you can try it by yourself. Now, I will be solving a problem in which, after applying componendo and dividendo, we are taking a invertendo. So, next solved example, that is example number 5. What they have given? They have given us x by y this time. So, x by y is 4 by 5. They are asking us to find the value of then 4x minus y upon 4x plus y. This is question mark. So now x by y is equal to 4 by 5. And you can see that we are having dividendo componendo. But we are having a rule of componendo dividendo. So in order to get dividendo componendo, first you do componendo dividendo and then apply a case of invertendo so that you can get the required answer. But as you can see that along with x, we are having 4. What we will do? We will first convert this to 4x. How we can convert this to 4x? Multiplying by 4 on both side of numerator. So therefore, 4 into x upon y is equal to 4 into 4 upon 5. 4 into 4 is 16 upon 5. So I got the value of 4x by y. 4x by y is equal to 16 by 5. Now, therefore, by componendo dividendo, we get 4x plus y upon 4x minus y is equal to 16 plus 5 upon 16 minus 5. So this is equal to how much? 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 upon 11. No common multiple, so it can't be cancelled. What we will do? But we don't want this. We want 4x minus y upon 4x plus y. So in order to get this term, we need to do invertendo. In what invertendo says, numerator goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator. So therefore, by invertendo, we get 4x minus y upon 4x plus y is equal to 11 upon 21. And this is our required answer. We have completed this example, and next example is a bit interesting. You are very much used to square now. You know how to find square of. Square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 10 is 100, and so on. You should know all these values. So next problem is based on square. Square of a number. What is given? Next example, 5x is equal to 5x is equal to 4y. Then they're asking us to find the value of the ratio. Then find 3x square plus y square divided by 3x square minus y square. So clearly from here we can understand that first we need to get the value of x square and y square, but right now x and y is also not given. First find the value of x and y from here, and after that find the value of x square and y square by squaring both sides. And after that, at last, what you do as per the requirement, with along with x square we can see that 3 is present, so multiplying by 3 you will get the required term. So let's see how to get the values. Answer: 5x is equal to 4y. This is given. So therefore, x by y is equal to, what I'm doing, I'm taking this 5 to that side. Means right now it is in the form of multiplication. When it will go to that side, it will take the form of division. The value of x by y is 4 by 5. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides we get x by y the whole square is equal to 4 by 5 the whole square. Now apply law of indices, as we know that a by b raised to n, this can be written as a raised to n upon b raised to n. So separate this numerator and denominator. So this can be written as x square by y square is equal to 4 square upon 5 square. 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So therefore I got value of x square by y square as 16 upon 25, but the requirement is that we should have 3 times x square plus y square, and we can see that plus minus terms are same, a plus b, a minus b. So it is a case of componendo dividendo. So first we will take 3 on both sides of numerator, 3 into 16 by 25. So this is 3 into 16. As you know the table of 16, it is 48 divided by 25. So I got the value of 3 x square upon y square. Now what? The case of componendo and dividendo. Therefore, by componendo dividendo, what we get? We get 3x square plus y square, 3x square minus y square is equal to 48 plus 25 upon 48 minus 25. We know that 48 plus 25 is 73 upon 48 minus 25 is 23. And it does not have any common multiple. So our final answer for this is 73 by 23. I hope you understood. Now before going with the next application, that is application of properties of equal ratios, better we'll solve 3 problems. We can easily solve 3 questions of practice set 4.3. When we will start solving question number 4, then I will introduce you with application of properties of equal ratio. So we'll start with practice set 4.3 without wasting any time. So practice set 4.3. Question number 1. Where it says in one problem we are having four sub questions. So in first problem I'll be solving all four, but from second, third, and all that I'll be giving homework so that you can try it by yourself. And wherever you're having doubt, you can ask it. So if a by b is equal to 7 by 3, we need to find the value of. Then I won't be writing all fours because it will take lots of space. I'm writing only first one. I'll be writing it accordingly. First, second, third, and fourth, whatever. I won't be rubbing this until unless we complete whole question number one. So first, 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b. This is very simple. As you can see that you are having a by b, that is given, and here you can see that 5 is present with a, and with b we are having 3. So we should multiply 5 in numerator and 3 in denominator to get the required terms. So answer given a by b equal to 7 by 3. As per requirement, 5 times a upon 3 times b is equal to 5 into 7 upon 3 into value of b is 3. So 7 fives are, or 5 sevens are 35, and 3 threes are 9. Or it says we're having addition in numerator and subtraction in denominator. So by componendo and dividendo. Therefore, by componendo dividendo, we get 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b is equal to 35 plus 9 upon 35 minus 9. 35 plus 9 is 24. 35 minus 9 is 5, 4. It is 26. As you can see that we are having a common multiple say 2. So it can be written as 2 into 22 upon 2 into 13. So same terms present in numerator and denominator gets cancelled. 22 by 13. This is the answer of first sub question of question number 1, 22 by 13. Once again, they're asking us to find 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. So what we will do, we have a by b, but we can see that they are asking for a square b square. So first task to complete in the form of, or convert it in the form of a square by b square. Therefore, we have a by b equal to 7 by 3. Therefore, squaring both sides, we get A by B whole square is equal to 7 by 3 the whole square. So this can be written as A square by B square equal to 7 square by 3 square. You know that 7 square is 7 into 7, 49. 3 square 3 into 3, that is 9. Now they are asking us to find with A square we are having 2, and with B square we are having 3. So I'll drop the upper part. So along with A we should have 2. Sorry, along with A square we should have 2. And along with B square we should have 3. What do we do? Multiplying by 2 in numerator and multiplying by 3 in denominator on both sides, we get 2A square upon 3 times B square is equal to 2 into value of A square is 49 upon 3 times value of B square is 9. So this is 98 divided by 27. 9 3 is 27 and 249 is 98. Therefore, what is required? 2A square plus 3B square divided by 2A square minus 3B square. So in this case, again, in order to get plus in numerator and minus in denominator with the same terms, we should use component to dividend. So therefore, by component to dividend, we get 2A square plus 3B square upon 2A square minus 3B square is equal to 98 plus 27 upon 98 minus 27. So you can see that 98 plus 27. What is the answer? It is 125, and 98 minus 27. 98 minus 71, and it does not have any common multiple, as you can see. Is there any common multiple? So there is no common multiple. So this is our final answer for the second sub question. Now third. So third says it is a cubicle. You have to take a cubic or cube of third. We have to find A cube minus B cube upon B cube. Question mark. Given A by B equal to 7 by 3. This is given. So taking cube on both sides. If you don't understand this by taking cube on both sides, what you do? Multiplying by A to itself 3 times. A into A into A. And this by B into B into B. So here you will be getting 7 into 7 into 7. You will be getting 3 into 3 into 3. So right now I am taking cube. This is A by B the whole cube equal to 7 by 3 the whole cube. So this is by law of indices. A raised to 3, B raised to 3 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. As you don't know the formula of cube, so better we do it stepwise, no problem. 7 sevens are 49, and this is a 9. 49 sevens are 7 nines are 63, and 7 fours are 28. 6 34. So 3 4 3 divided by 9 threes are 27. Only calculations are there, and concept is very easy. You can just understand and apply it accordingly. You will get the answer. But only you have to make sure that you are doing calculations properly without making any mistake. If you will do mistake anywhere, a minor mistake, then it will ruin your whole problem. So no use then. So make sure that you are doing your calculations correctly. So here, right now you can see that what is required. We got a cube by b cube. We are having negative sign in numerator. So what we will do? We will do dividendo. Agar instead of minus it would have plus, so I would have tried componendo. So right now I'm having minus sign. So I'll be doing dividendo. Therefore by dividendo we get a cube minus b cube upon b cube. A cube is 343 minus b cube is 27 divided by 27. So when we subtract 27 from 343, what will be the answer? You can check it by yourself. Answer is 316 divided by 27 as it is. So this is the answer for third sub question. And last, that is fourth sub question. Of question number 1. Fourth sub question says find 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b. So how to get this? Since given that, very simple, a by b equal to 7 by 3. As we know that we don't require a and b. We require 7 times a and 9 times b. So multiplying a by 7 and multiplying b by 9. So as we are multiplying a by 7, we need to do the same on both sides. So 7 into 7 upon 9 into 3. So 7 sevens are 49 upon 9 threes are 27. So what they are saying? Componendo and dividendo. Because they are having positive in numerator and negative in denominator. So therefore, by componendo dividendo, we get 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b is equal to 49 plus 27, 9 minus 27. So 49 plus 27, 60, and 86. Sorry, 976. 76 and when 49 from 49 we subtract 27, what we will get? It's 22. As you can see, we are having a common multiple, say 2 into 76 upon 2 into 11. 2 gets cancelled. What remains? 38 by 11. You can check. So we have completed question number 1, 4 sub questions. So from next lecture, we will start with question number 2 and remaining problems. That is, we have to complete applications based on this. So thank you, students. Thank you for watching.